If you have a Hayward AquaRite salt system, I'm going to show you how to clean the salt cell. Once a year you should be cleaning your salt cell, but sometimes you have to clean it a little bit more. You might get an inspect cell light come on, or you might have a check salt. If you have the check salt light come on, just check the salt levels in your pool. I'll link the tester down below in the description. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the power is off. Unplug the salt cell. Now this tool here, I'll link it down below in the description. We're going to take the cell off. So just open up a bit. You should hear some air. Let the water rush out of it. So not a lot of water is going to be flowing out of there. This salt cell is not too bad. You can see the grates all the way through. Yours might be really crusty, but clean them anyway. It takes off a lot of the stains you might have if you have well water, anything on that sensor there. Make sure you get this stand. It's made by Hayward, and it's a cleaning cell stand. When you first get your stand, what you want to do is you'll get this O-ring, and you want to put some grease on it, and then put it in the groove. So what you're going to do is the side with the cord, you want to make sure that that's down. It might fall over if it's the other way. And it just screws right on. Grab some Muriatic Acid. Now this stuff is pretty dangerous. It's the vapor that you got to watch out for. So don't mix it with water first. Watch the vapor coming up. So the vapor from this is pretty potent, and as soon as it hits water, it flares up. So make sure you have protective gear, eye gear, for your hands. If you get anything on your hands, just wash it with water. So for the cell, we want to fill that about halfway. Okay, about halfway. And then our acid. Again, protective gear. You want to fill up the rest. Watch the vapor coming up. Mask is great for this. Just cover the last grate. And you see it's all like fizzing and bubbling. Once that all stops, then I'll show you the next step. All the bubbles are gone. Here I have a bucket of water. It's about half filled. We have our other water here. So we're going to take that and we're going to dump it into our bucket with water. So it's going to dilute it. So that's why I put half a bucket. And we had half water here, half muriatic acid. We'll dump it in there and I'll show you next what to do. Okay, put the stand back down. We're going to fill it up with water. We're going to dump it again. And I'll just do it one more time. We're just diluting everything. There you go. Here we're going to take the bucket of water, mostly water, and we're just going to dump it in the pool. There's not enough muriatic acid that it's going to affect the pH at all. And just rinse your bucket out. You're done with that. You can take the stand off. Before you put your salt cell back, make sure you check your O-rings. So all you have to do is just make sure they're clean. If you do this and it's black, replace them. I'll link everything down below. If you need these O-rings, I'll link it down below. And then put a little bit of grease on this too. After you've done that, you put the cell back. do as much as you can with your hand. With the tool we took it off, and it's okay to do it with the tool. What you're doing is you're not trying to crush it. All you're doing is tightening it. So do it as much as you can by hand. Take the tool, and you're not crushing it. You're just grabbing it a little bit and just tighten it just a bit. Just tweak it a little bit. Check for any leaks. We're going to do our plug back in, line it up. And push all the way in. There you go.